G'day guys, it's Vulcan Camman here. How's it going? So during my absence from YouTube and everything in the last 6 months or so, I've still been riding. I just haven't been making any Vulcan Camman videos. So that means I've still encountered dickheads on the road. So I want to share with you my part 4 of my bad drivers and other crazy sights. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know which one's your favorite, and shout out to Moto Madness for featuring it. So yeah, enjoy. Phone down, mate. Oi there. Oink, oink. Uh-oh. Oh no, someone's busted. Oh dear. I didn't see what happened there, but someone is going to be in a bit of trouble today. Oh dear. Oh. Oh, that was fucking close. Oh man, mate, you scared me. Mates, do you know what these things are for? God damn it. Oh my God. If you're gonna go that fucking slow, get off the fucking road. God damn it. I fucking hate people that drive too slow. Give way, you fucking assholes. God. Oh, we're almost there. I can tough it out. Double white line, you fucking idiots. Oh. Jesus fucking Christ. That was fucking close. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back with some more, I'll be back with another stupid, crazy, angry people versus bikers video in the near future. So yeah, keep an eye for that. Like, share, subscribe, like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, links in description. And yeah, stay upright, ride safe. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.